Welcome! In this video, we will discuss how to use Amazon's Partnered Carrier Program Truckload Services. The Partnered Carrier Program is a discount shipping service offered by Amazon. With it, you have options for small parcel deliveries, less than truckload shipments, LTL, and full truckload shipments. The Partnered Carrier Program lets you quickly and easily restock your inventory, create shipments, and print labels all in one place. With this program, you can view tracking information and stay updated on transit status. How to select. You'll need to fill in your information in Step 1 before moving to Step 2. When you click Confirm, available fulfillment centers will be generated based on your information. In Step 2, enter your ship date, then select your shipping mode. Choose Small Parcel for your boxes, or Less than Truckload for palletized shipments on a trailer. This program lets you ship less than truckload or truckload with a partnered carrier for your domestic shipments within the contiguous 48 states. Truckload. When selecting less than truckload with the Partnered Carrier Program, Amazon sends your shipment to the lowest cost carrier available. This eliminates the need for you to shop around and bid on truckload carriers for your shipments. For Step 2, you'll need to confirm your ship date, select less than truckload, and confirm your estimated total. In Step 3, you can print your box labels after you select your label format by clicking Print. Click Continue to Carrier and Pallet Information to move on to Step 4. In Step 4, you'll select Amazon Partnered Carrier, provide your freight ready date, freight class, a person to contact for shipment pickup, and pallet dimensions. Once entered, click Confirm. Please note, once a freight ready date is provided, Amazon will give you an estimated pickup date for your shipment. Shipments are expected to be ready by 8 a.m. on the day of pickup, and carrier will arrive between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. The estimated shipping cost is generated based on the information you provide and the pickup date. Please note, the shipping cost will be charged directly to your seller account as an inbound transportation charge. Next, click Confirm Carrier and Pallet Information. In Step 5, you can print your pallet labels. Select your label format and click Print Pallet Labels. Apply all labels to your boxes and to your pallets. Once your pallets are picked up, go to your shipment and in Step 5, click Mark All as Shipped. Please note, sending a full truckload, meaning shipments with over 12 pallets, or using Amazon Freight may be more cost-effective and have better lead times than a less than truckload shipment. Full truckload shipments and Amazon Freight both require the carrier to request a dock appointment from the fulfillment center before pickup. The appointment provided to the carrier will determine your shipment's pickup date. You must have your shipment ready by the estimated pickup date, as this is the earliest the carrier will arrive. You can contact the carrier directly for your scheduled pickup date. Transit and tracking. Once your shipment is picked up, tracking will be automatically updated in your Seller Central. Shipment tracking is built in with our Partnered Carrier Program, which provides Amazon with continuous updates on your shipments. To track your less than truckload or full truckload shipment on the carrier website, you'll need the carrier's PRO number and the PO number, which can be found on the BOL printed from Seller Central. Delivery. With Amazon's Generated Bills of Lading, BOLs, carriers have what they need and are familiar with Amazon's delivery process. When delivering your shipments to Amazon fulfillment centers, the partnered carriers handle the appointment experience for you. Through Amazon's partnership with carriers, we have more visibility into your shipments, allowing for a faster and more streamlined delivery and receiving process. Now that you know your partnered carrier options, you can get started streamlining your fulfillment process. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Amazon!